In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the variable valve timing solenoid on your Subaru Outback. This is going to be located on the front top of the motor. Let's get started. Remove the connector for the cam position sensor. There's a push button right here. Push on that, pull straight back, remove the connector, pull that up and out of your way. Using a 10mm wrench, we're going to break the bolt free for the cam position sensor. Remove the bolt. Using a 10mm wrench, remove the bolt for the cam position housing. Before I fully remove this top bolt, I'm going to break the sensor free inside of the housing and pull it all the way back to this rocker cover. Remove the housing bolt. We're going to remove the sensor and the housing. To do this, we're going to use a flat blade screwdriver and pull over on the housing. When this happens, it should create a small gap up top. I'm going to put our flat blade down next to it and very gently tap it in between the two. Don't push super hard or drive this too far down. It's getting held in the middle of the bracket and you can pop this ear off. We're going to go under the vehicle and with a long flat blade screwdriver, we're going to put it on the back side of this tab right here. And we're going to gently tap it with a soft face mallet. Continue to slowly tap it out of position until you feel it pop off. Once you do, go ahead and remove the housing and remove the sensor from the housing. Remove the connector, push on the button, pull straight up. Button was on my thumb, push on that, pull straight up. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt. Remove the bolt. We're going to wiggle this sensor back and forth, side to side, and pull straight out. Take your time, keep pulling nice and square. These can get kind of stuck. Eventually it'll pop out for you. We're going to install the new solenoid. We're going to take a bit of clean engine oil, put it on our finger, and wipe it around the O-ring. This will make installation easier. Install the solenoid. Push it straight in. Make sure it fully seats. You should hear it click into place. Install the bolt. Get it started by hand. Torque the bolt to 4.7 foot-pounds. Install the connector. Install the sensor into the bracket. We're going to push it all the way back. Install the bracket. We're going to install right here to this pin. This can be a tight fit. Wiggle it into place. Make sure it's fully seated. just like that. Get the top bolt installed. Get it started by hand. Snug the bolt down. Torque the top bolt to 4.7 foot-pounds. Pull the sensor over to the side, line up the holes, get the bolt installed. Snug the bolt down. Torque it to 4.7 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can. Pull the connector down. Install it onto the sensor. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.